Alright, I am here at the 1914 Creative Park. It's another recommendation. Not sure what it has, but we're going to find out. Hopefully, this isn't a very short video. Some nice artistic benches. I'm not sure if this place costs anything to get into. I don't know anything yet. So, why does my thing keep dying? So, wooden toys and things like that. Looks like it's kind of just like a place for artistic people to sell their wares. That's what it feels like so far. So the park is housed in what was originally the Taipei Railway Workshop, which was built during the Japanese occupation in 1914. The railway workshop was Taiwan's primary facility for train repair and maintenance. After the workshop relocated, the site was repurposed and revitalized to promote cultural activities. In 2007, it was designated a municipal heritage site. Later, the space was turned into a creative park, emphasizing art, design, and culture. Today, the 1914 Creative Park is a blend of historical architecture and modern artistry. It houses art studios, galleries, boutiques, and unique shops. The old workshop structures and tracks add an industrial touch to the area. There are also event spaces that host exhibitions, performances, and workshops regularly. Yeah, a bunch of stuff I have no clue about. I got a friend that would be into this stuff, I'm sure. But yeah, feels like it's kind of artistic things that people are selling or showing off. It's a bunch of like little galleries and things like that. Not sure what I was expecting. I like to go places without knowing what I'm getting into. It's much more fun that way. Tickets for something, maybe movies. Movies I wouldn't understand anyway, so not gonna do that. These actually look like old military bunkers that they're in. It might be what it is. Oh no, that's cool. Get it to change for you, hopefully. Maybe. Maybe not. There it goes. Yep. More shopping stuff. Oh, but the air feels amazing. We're only taking up a little portion of this building. It's funny how much you can walk through somewhere and people don't even notice you got a camera. And then sometimes you can walk around and everybody knows you have a camera. Some sort of small animals in the funny museum. I can't read that, but I'm not paying for anything. Not when I can't understand it anyway. It's just not my thing. Not sure what that was for, but it wasn't free. Attack on the Titan. Don't know anything about that either. It's not my kind of thing here. I feel like it's mostly like anime type of things. Let me walk down this way and see if make sure I didn't miss anything. Rose will probably have a better idea on these things. Maybe. One of the main draws for visitors is the diverse range of creative works on display, from modern art installations to artisan crafts. The park promotes both emerging and established artists and designers from Taiwan and beyond. The park is conveniently located in Taipei and is easily accessible via public transportation. It has become a popular spot for both locals and tourists. Besides the cultural attractions, the park also features green spaces and recreational areas where visitors can relax and enjoy the surroundings. If you're planning to visit or learn more about contemporary Taiwanese art and culture, the 1914 Creative Park is definitely worth a visit. The fusion of historical elements with modern creativity provides a unique atmosphere that encapsulates the spirit of Taipei's cultural scene.